Example 4. 7 to the power y plus 1 plus 7 to the power y minus 1 equals 50 over 49. Solution. By observation, we can see that 7 to the power y plus 1 can be written as 7 to the power y minus 1 plus 2. 7 to the power y minus 1 plus 2 can be written as 7 to the power y minus 1 times 7 to the power 2. The left-hand side of the equation becomes. Observe that 7 to the power y minus 1 is a common factor of both the terms on the left-hand side. Taking out the common factor from the terms equals 7 to the power y minus 1 times 7 to the power 2 plus 1. Now equating this to the right-hand side, we get, multiplying both the sides of the equation by 1 over 50, we get, or 7 to the power y minus 1 equals 1 over 49. Simplifying further, we get, since the bases are the same, we can equate the exponents. Therefore, y minus 1 equals negative 2, or y equals negative 1.
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel. Can't wait that long? Ask Masky to help you and let the math finally start mathing.